These are printed at 6 p.m. Cash count variance po ay nagtali lang po kami. Skip series ay wala po. Issued receipt namin is 3. Wala po ang unapproved expenses.
Yung gift ideas namin. Ito po yung design it yourself namin. Ito po yung hot deals namin. Ito po yung best seller namin. Ito po yung workwear namin. Ito po yung special polo namin. Ito po yung jackets namin. Ito po yung sublimation namin. Ito po yung jersey uniform namin. Ito po yung power table namin.
Ito po yung pending area. So, today po, May 24. So, may na-release po kami today na 11 na orders. And then, meron po kaming 5 po na orders na pumasok. So, ito po yung stock room namin. So, dito po yung locker. Yung basura po na itapon na po namin. So, yung sa embroidery, top press, mag press, dually press, aircon. So, ito po yung nozzle check niya. So, yung room temperature. Ito yung ilaw sa loob. Sublimation printer, sublimation PC, EBR, military tape, graphics PC, single press. So, as of May 24, 2026, so ito po yung exit video ng Bohol.